Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how you register for the 21st International Conference on Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering. First of all, you go to the ICSMGE2026.org website and you'll find a registration button either here or you scroll down and find another one here. A new website opens and you're asked to enter email and password, but if you do not have created an account yet, please do so by signing up here. You're asked to enter first name, last name, email, not Robert, and then you can create a new account. Once you did that, an email will be sent to you where you can set a new password. When you've done that, you come back to the ICSMGE website and again go to the registration button. You enter email and password and then log in. I'm going to walk you through now. Here on the very left side, you find the registration. You choose your event, register now. And here you see the path for your registration. It's the 21st International Conference, which takes place on the 14th of June until the 19th of June. Make sure you check out the early bird. If you want to have a discount, you have to sign in before the 15th of March that year. Please pay attention. In order for a paper to be published in the conference proceedings, at least one of the authors must register for the conference. A maximum of 2 papers can be assigned to a registered participant. Alright, we're all set for filling in our data. If you want to have written an alternative company name, for example, in the list of participants or on the name tag, make sure you fill in the proper information in this area. For authors only, please be sure to include your paper ID in this area. Alright, and then we're all set for choosing whatever we want to attend. For example, welcome reception, yes, I want to attend that, or sightseeing, or technical visits, or workshops. Please note that there will be added some events in future since we do not have the confirmation for all the events, but make sure to check out later on if there is anything interesting for you. You can add another participant by clicking this button and you fill in right away all the information for this new person. You have the total sum and ready for the next step. Here you have the contact address. To enter your contact address, you can choose another one or you choose a different billing address. And for example, to add a new address, you click here and you fill in all the information you want to have on the billing address, for example. Some companies or institutions need a reference number. If this reference number needs to be written on the invoice, please make sure you fill in the number in this area here, because since the invoice is sent to you automatically by the system, we cannot make any changes afterwards. So please make sure to fill in your reference number in this area. Alright, here's the summary. You check if everything is correct. Here in this step, you have the possibility to enter a coupon code if you have one, or if there are some coupons assigned to your company, you will have the possibility to choose the one that is assigned for you. Alright, if everything is okay and correct here, you go to the next step and you are already ready for the payment, for the online payment right away by credit card or Klarna, or paying by bank transfer. Make sure you agree the terms and conditions, and then you're all set for the order. You can always come back later on since the invoice is automatically saved in this area. You can go to your invoice. For example, if you clicked in the first place paying by bank transfer, you can change it later on to paying by credit card and can immediately pay by credit card. Please note that there is no entrance if the entrance fee is not paid. There will be a possibility on site to pay, but in order to provide a flawless entrance, and it's just easier if you pay in advance. All right, I think that's about it. Oh yeah, and here we have one more thing to mention, the booked events. You can always go back and check what you have booked, and if you wanna add another event, you can do so in this area, and a new invoice will then be mailed to you and automatically saved down here. All right, so I think now really that's about it, and hope to see you in Vienna.